10 Amazon Home Finds. This insect trap plugs into any wall outlet and features a light to attract flying bugs. This is a multifunctional gadget that can hold toilet paper, sanitary pads, or wipes. It also includes a built-in shelf, perfect for items like your phone, toilet spray, or even a cup of coffee. Next, this portable pop-up craft paper furniture provides versatile functionality. It can serve as a side table or footrest. When not in use, it collapses flat for easy storage. This versatile tool can secure your toothbrush to the mirror, hold your keys by the door, store a razor in the shower, or even keep a pen on the fridge. It also prevents charging cables from falling behind your desk. This smart soap dispenser keeps everything neat, refills effortlessly, and enhances the space. For hand care, consider this gadget that combines heat, airbag compression, and vibration at adjustable intensities to rejuvenate tired hands. Maximize your storage with this 3 inches behind door ultra slim shelf. It swings open via hinges, offering 8 shelves for items like cleaning supplies. It's easily accessible when needed. This is a sconce doubles as a portable flashlight with up to 15 hours of light. It offers 3 brightness levels and rotates 360 degrees. It magnetically attaches to surfaces and requires no wiring. This mattress gap filler prevents your pillows from slipping into the gap, ensuring a tidier and more aesthetically pleasing bed. Finally, a motorized TV lift offers a clean, modern aesthetic. It connects to Wi-Fi for seamless control. Just press a button and watch your TV rise elegantly.